Salutations, my name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman. You are shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you're at. Coming with love from AZ, this is StereoPHX 888. This channel is about personal development. I can't save you. I'm just here to share with you how I'm saving myself. As I sit in reflection, this video right here, really I just need to get this out to you. Any time that you give me, I am so grateful for and enthusiastic for. These are the gems that have allowed me to change from low vibe to high vibe. Bottom line, I'm on a different timeline than I was. I realize I just want to share this reflection with you. This is a reflection, right? I'm reflecting on myself. At times, I can force myself to do something, right? Knowing that I shouldn't do it. Knowing that I shouldn't do it. Isn't that some shit? I can literally, in the moment, see, it's like when time's passing, right? As I'm moving, I'm time traveling, literally. Let's just say I'm on a bike. I'm riding a bike. I went to my destination, handled what I needed to handle, you know, dead set the whole way, clear intention. And then along the way, on the way back, ideas start to set in because there's a little there's room for me to get involved with something. And for me, it's a personal struggle, substance abuse. I have these ideas, like, and it's taken me almost a lifetime to get to this point right here, where I'm not at the depths of it, okay? But there's still a little something. And today I'm sharing this video as somebody who chose themselves over making an instant, spontaneous, impulsive decision to get sidetracked because I have that leeway in my day. Insane. Now that I really think about it, just because I have that space in my time, in my free time, shouldn't I be using it all applied towards me? And is me choosing something self-destructive at all? Me choosing me? I don't know. It's crazy. So I'm like, thank you. As I'm sitting in my room here, in this amazing situation that I built. I built this all this that surrounds me, and even greater. I built it with my own two hands. As I sit here and I have a cat and it's all beautiful, I would choose on a whim something. God, man, I pray that you can break out of this. Whatever it is that you do impulsively like this, I pray. And I send that energy to you now, man, because I am, and if you don't have that issue, then you don't have to at all, because I did it for you, in a way, so to speak. I went and died for you. Like, I went to the depths so I could be that guy. You know? Somebody has to do it. Here we are. I am Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman. This is StereoPHX 888. Like, this is a reflection of a state of consciousness that I have stood in and remained in for a long time. Like, as soon as I get that it used to be like instantaneous, you know what I'm saying? It's like, because there's something that that, that goes on in here. The real battle, right? And it, see, for me, the battle and the fight and like everything that like comes out of it and how it manifests into the real world, into the physical reality, this physical reality that you see as me before you right now, that is on display in a more of a blatant way, as in because I did dope, because I do dope or whatever, boom, you can see it, right? Some other people struggle with other things that it's easier to keep behind doors. So I pray for anybody who's struggling with themselves in this manner, because god damn, that. And it's true, as above, so below. This is not something that can be solved on this physical level. To anyone dealing with drugs, like, yo, you cannot, because it's a spiritual battle, as in internal, esoteric, like it's an internal fight. There's voices, there's ideas, there's thoughts, that's what it is. And you think it's all you or of you. I mean, you think it's all you. Like, I used to think it was me, and then I couldn't change that, right? Imagine that. So you did one job, and then now that defines you the rest of your life. Like, maybe you started flipping burgers when you were like, yeah, like I started flipping when I was 19. When I was 18, I was straight out of high school. I was working at Carl's Jr. I was like, no, hell no. I didn't want that to be me, to define me. But what if that was it? Boom, that I allowed. So now that's me, permanent, just off the strength of that. Nobody sees that or thinks of that or considers that type of thing. But when you get hooked on substances and addicted, man, it's so deep. Like, so for me, look, there were times where I would be literally driving to the destination, to the spot, to the trap house, to go do some illegal shit, to rob some, and every fiber of me is trying to, it knows I shouldn't be doing it. It knows it's just not the way but I would force myself to do it. Yo, there was times, right, where I got hookers. And I couldn't do that sober, but all the way along the whole way to see her, everything felt like, stop, no, like, don't, this is not worth it to do. I forced myself. If you've experienced this ever in your life, and be real, put that shit in the comments, man. Come on now. Am I the only one on this fucking planet? This planet? Huh? Look at words, man. And that's another video. That's a whole nother video. Words and the fact that I'm a lyricist and the power behind them, when you actually look at the word and break it down, what came first, right? In the scripture. First came the word. First came the word. Is this earth thing absurd? Now bring it back. One time relapse with me. Watch everything disintegrate and collapse with me. And then we rebuild it. Cash cream, abund millions, stacks to the ceilings. Row, row, row my boat gently down the stream. And yes, man. I struggle with myself, in the essence. I struggle with myself. It's like, I'm badass. I'm a badass motherfucker. Most definitely. However, the things that I struggle with, it's like, it's been all for me, but it's taken quite a while, and it could have been easy for me to sit in like any of the things that I've gone through and be like, oh well, this is it, this is me now, and I'm fucking up. It's so hard, man. This is why I'm doing this. This is why I make these videos, because this has been a process that like, you wonder why the numbers don't pan out. Like, you got treatment, you got rehab and all that, but the numbers don't, the numbers. I didn't want to be one of those numbers. Now, when you talk to the people, bro, there's some individuals who have done it in different ways than the conventional methods, and I guarantee that there was spiritual answers, spiritual things involved there, most definitely. So like, this is it. This is what my channel is about. Abstract personal development, bro. Until the next episode, man, I'm out. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I'm supposed to say this to remind you. And, if you have already, my infinite gratitude and enthusiasm for your participation and your engagement, y'all. I love y'all. Love yourself. Love each other. Peace.